Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. In this video, let's talk XRP. I want to show you some of the charts, things that I see over, the next maybe 2 to 3 weeks, because this is the weekly chart that I'm showing you here. I've seen some interesting things that, it might shock you, might surprise you, might be pleasant for you. As to where I believe the price might go. If it sounds interesting to you and you're holding XRP, get it out. Please drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're watching. Before I dive into this, I need to let you know I am not a financial advisor. These are just my own personal opinions on the market. So please do your further research before you invest your money. That being said, pay attention to the charts. Actually, before I do the weekly, I will give you a quick short-term sort of perspective of what I see with XRP and where I see it going. Right now, it looks to be floating off this 21-day moving average. I love the 21-day. If you watch my channel, I show you all the time. Why? Because it's significant. Because whenever price is above it, we usually see it ride it like a wave and it bounces off it. If it's below it, sometimes it resists and tries to get above, right? So, it looks like it's slowly coming away from the 21 moving average. If it does, meaning come back down, I expect this moving average to, slowly come out and the price to just keep bouncing above it. XRP should be testing these prices in the next maybe couple of days, a week, $1.25. Then I expect it to come up to this 702 fib retracement. I'll just show you over here, 0.702, because it's a powerful line. And, for me, this is where XRP really needs to break above short term. Okay, because if it breaks above this, you're going to see fireworks for XRP, and you really are going to see prices start to rise again, maybe past its all-time high. Well, I wouldn't say all-time, the highs of what we saw back in April and May. I would expect it to seriously, ride right up to here, which is the $2.91. Hold on a minute, it's not come up. Hold on, here we go. I don't know what I've done up there. Hold on. To use dictation, go to settings. I don't know what that's telling me. Let me just get rid of it. This is the price that I'll be looking for if and when it breaks this 702. But, because there's so much momentum right now in the market. Things are looking positive. Let me switch it back to the weekly. Why? Because I want to show you the RSI on the XRP chart. It's powerful. Let me bring it up. Take a look at this. This is the RSI. I was trying to decide if I should grab the stochastic, but the RSI is going to be the best one. And if you look closely, you can see I've got two golden lines which show you a golden opportunity to be taking your profits. Right in between, anywhere in between the middle could be a good opportunity to be taking profits with XRP. Why? Because take a look at what happened last time. And if you look back in the past, this high right here, let me just, zoom it in and show you how, how it measures up perfectly with the stochastic RSI. This was XRP's last all-time high back in 2018. And look, the RSI hit perfectly up here at the 95 level, along with XRP's price. It peaks just above, but this is going to be when you see the RSI for XRP at these levels, it's a perfect time to take profits, I promise you. And I can scroll back, I can go back further in time and show you what happened in the past. Well, here, it does extend back. So this is 2017's high. Look at where the stochastic RSI was. Again, this is on the weekly time frame, guys. If you don't want to miss this opportunity, grab it up. I'm using XRP. I'll just show you because TradingView, XRP. I'm using Bitstamp just up here. Bitstamp. You can search that one if you like, and grab the RSI up on the weekly time frame. For those who may consider doing it, you just type in RSI when you search it, Relative Strength Index. Grab it up, watch it like a hawk. Because look, every time the RSI has been around the 92, 95 area, it's always been a peak before you've seen a crash down. And take a look again. Look, we can every single time. Look, well, this didn't even extend to the top of it, but look, it's in my golden opportunity for taking profits with XRP. This was back in 2013. Look at the peak. Look up here. Perfect time to take profits. Up here. Perfect time to take profits. You can see it's within this golden opportunity. Where are we today with the RSI? Take a look. You can see right here, we are nowhere near it, which makes me believe that XRP is going to have a serious pump. And, is it going to be quick? I don't know. But I've got my profits ready to go within this golden area. I'm telling you now, I know exactly when I'm going to take profits. If you don't want to miss this, because I'm going to try and bring it to you on YouTube as much as I can, but if you don't want to miss it, become a patron. Why? Because I will show them exactly when I plan to take profits. And what? Just like what you see here. When the RSI reaches those levels, when it comes up here, let me see if I can draw it. It might be a different color. Hold on. When I see this RSI do something like this, and then, you know, it comes right up into here, that's where I'm going to be taking my XRP profits, because I believe that XRP is going to be sitting really high in price, and I'm going to show you why, you know, with further charts. So, you know, let's take it a step further now. Take a look at this chart here, because this chart, you know, similar to the, well, I've got the Fibonacci. It doesn't matter about the Fibonacci, but if you look really closely, look. For those who watch my channel, I show them this custom chart that I make with a certain amount of indicators, and it's these top 3 indicators here. Well, top left, it says Bitcoin Investor Tool. Now this top was designed for Bitcoin when it hits the top of the market, but I've, you know, custom designed this so it hits the top for XRP. And if you look back in the past, right, you can see it, you know, it called near enough the tops for XRP perfectly. Look, back in 2017, near enough at that top before we saw the crash, it went up to the red line. Same here, it just peaked above the red line here. But this gives me a good insight as to when I should be taking profits with XRP. And there's a huge bit of space for XRP to ride. You know, if you missed the video as well, check it, because I talked about, you know, XRP going up to the full fib extension. It's a bit higher than this. This must be wrong. I can delete that one for now. But this chart is powerful because these 4 lines, they show opportunities. They show opportunities when to be selling your crypto or XRP and buying. Anything below the the green line, you know, anywhere around here, perfect time to be buying your crypto. And, you know, we've had these opportunities many a times. Right now, XRP is above this green line, and it's working its way towards this yellow line. And I think we're going to see it rise above. And I think it's going to test this top, you know, just like what it done in the past. If it does that, guys, we're talking a $12.50 price for XRP should it get there. That's 10 times the money of what it is today, because it's sitting at roughly $1.13. So, you know, if it goes there, crazy gains to be made. I'm going to keep my eye on this chart as well, and I will keep bringing it to you. So, you know, if you don't want to miss it, you know, subscribe to the channel. If you like XRP, if you're holding XRP, want to know a good time to take profits. So the other chart that I had as well, actually, I can show you, was this one here. This is just, again, a lot of these charts I'm showing you are weekly ribbons because, weekly time frames. Got the ribbon up. Is because you can get a good insight as to what's going to happen with the price if you look at it on a longer time frame. For those who trade XRP daily, they look at the 1 hour time frame, the 4 hour time frame at the max. But, you know, you want to be looking at this weekly, maybe monthly time frame. You can get a good insight as to what's going to happen. You know, since I'll show you where I believe XRP, since XRP broke here, this was back in July 2020. Since July 2020, XRP has been really bullish. You know, it's been creating higher lows and higher lows, and you can see it here. The first low was here, second higher low, well, if you want to disregard this candle, higher low here, you know, higher low here. It's creating higher lows and higher highs. Well, apart from the crash that we had from April 21st or May down to May. But yeah, even though it had that crash, and this is why I like the weekly time frame, even though you had that crash, if you look at it with the EMA ribbon, you can grab this up, just click on templates, exponential ribbon. Grab it up. You can still see XRP was still bullish, even though it had this crash. It remained bullish. Why? Because it didn't, you know, usually when something's bearish, these ribbons, they tangle up. And look, you can see here as a fine example, when there's a bear market, look how the ribbons tangle up. And then, you know, the yellow comes underneath. Notice the yellow's on top whilst there's a bull market. Look, when there's a bear market, the yellow is underneath. Look, bear market, all the way, look, yellow, bear market. And, you know, I showed you here, but let's bring it across a bit more, because that's where the tangle happened. This is where the actual tangle of the EMA ribbons crossed. And you can see, look, the yellow has remained above for this long period of time. it's never been in a bearish market. We had a big crash, big fall, yeah, but it bounced off the ribbons. You can see here, look, just peaked below it, but it came straight back above. Serious buy power, and you know, it's sitting nice, it's sitting large. So I believe that there's going to be some fireworks for XRP real soon. And for those that are holding, you know, you might be pleasantly surprised as to what's to come. So hold tight. I'm going to leave it here. If this was helpful to you, please drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching, guys. Keep an eye on this RSI on the weekly time frame, because you know this is a serious window of opportunity to be taking profits, or when to know to take profits with your XRP. And again, if you want to become a patron, I got 7 tiers, take your pick. I recommend my exclusive VIP partner tier. Why? Because that gives you all my posts. You can see when I buy, when I sell, when I stake, whatever do you see in there. This one here. If you want that little bit more, you can go for my CEO partner tier. You can't see it because my fat head's in the way. It's the CEO partner tier. Gives you my super alerts. I talk to you way before I buy, way before I sell, way before I do anything in my exclusive VIP Telegram group. Check that out if you want high crypto profile users in that space. Seriously sharing some great projects. So this might help you on your journey. You check it out. But thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Cheers.